Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for, with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.